Start by logging into your WB portal on windsorbrokers.com from any browser or log in via the Windsor Brokers app by entering your email address and password. If you don't have an account, simply select Sign Up and follow the registration steps to create one. Navigate to the platform download section under More and download your preferred MT4 or MT5 platform for your desktop or mobile device. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the platform on your device or launch the app on your phone. You will then be prompted to log in to your MT4 or MT5 with your trading account credentials. You can use your account number found on your WB portal as your login and the preset password to register. Also, make sure that the server name matches the one corresponding to your trading account as displayed on the WB portal. To start trading, navigate to the Market Watch window where you can view the available trading instruments. Right-click on any instrument to open a new order, or use the New Order button on the toolbar. Customize your charts by right-clicking on the chart area and selecting Properties to adjust the appearance and settings to your preference. To place a trade, select the instrument you wish to trade. Choose the order type, market or pending. Set your lot size and specify any stop loss or take profit levels. Click Buy or Sell to execute the trade. You can monitor your open positions and account balance in the terminal window at the bottom of the platform. You can also view your trading history and manage your orders from this window. Thank you for watching.